Welcome to AB Vocab Stream Academy. In today's lesson, we're diving into the fascinating world of head and face vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your English skills, this video will help you learn and remember the names of different parts of the head and face. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the beard. Beard. A beard is a growth of hair on the face, typically below the chin, and extending down the sides of the jaw. Next, we have the cheeks. Cheeks are the fleshy parts of the face below the eyes and on either side of the mouth. Chin script. The chin is the lowermost part of the face, below the mouth. Hair. Hair is a filamentous outgrowth from the epidermis of mammals. It grows on the head, face, and other parts of the body. Head. The head is the uppermost part of the human body, containing the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Ear. Ears are the organs of hearing and balance, located on the sides of the head. Eardrum. The eardrum is a thin membrane in the middle ear that vibrates in response to sound waves. Earlobe. The earlobe is the fleshy lower part of the ear. Eye. Eyes are the organs of sight, located in the head. Eyebrow. Eyebrows are the arches of hair above the eyes. Eyelash. Eyelashes are short hairs that grow along the edges of the eyelids. Eyelid. Eyelids are the movable folds of skin that cover and protect the eyes. Forehead. The forehead is the front part of the head, above the eyebrows. Freckles. Freckles are small, brownish spots on the skin. Jaw. The jaw is the lower part of the face that contains the teeth. Lip. Lips are the fleshy parts of the mouth that form the opening for eating and speaking. Mustache. A mustache is a growth of hair on the upper lip. Mouth. The mouth is the opening in the face for eating and speaking. Nose. The nose is the organ of smell and a passageway for breathing. Nostril. Nostrils are the two openings in the nose. Tongue. The tongue is a muscular organ in the mouth that aids in taste, speech, and swallowing. Tooth, plural, teeth. Teeth are hard, bony structures in the jaws that are used for biting and chewing food. Wrinkles. Wrinkles are lines or creases in the skin, often caused by aging. That's all for today's lesson on head and face vocabulary. We hope you found it informative and fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AB Vocab Stream Academy for more educational content. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.